Need an easy way to reduce operating cost? Meet signNow, the best price e-signature with the fastest ROI. Now, it's time for some really disturbing math. With 100 employees, your business is likely losing over $60,000 on paper-based processes every year. Meanwhile, 84% of companies that switch to a paperless experience have achieved a payback or total return on investment in less than 2 years. So how do they do it? Well, let's do the calculations for you in less than a minute. Your company works with documents every day, but the amount of money involved with each paper-based process goes way beyond paperwork. From printing to scanning and filing documents, the hidden cost of labor, storage, and supplies can quickly add up. An average company uses approximately 10,000 sheets of paper per employee annually. That's 2 cases of standard copy paper that cost approximately $80. And for every dollar spent on printing, businesses incur another $6 in handling and distribution. In-house storage, with the cost of office space between $15 to $20 per square foot, that adds another $12,350, and that's if you purchase 10 solid filing cabinets at $1,000 each. Don't use cabinets? Add off-site storage and additional charges from utilities to the rent and the cost of commuting or courier services, and you still end up losing over $60,000 on an annual basis. $60,350 a year. Let that sink in. 81% of companies plan on evaluating a paperless solution over the next 3 years. But the bottom line, less paper improves your business. So are you ready to optimize your operating costs? Go paperless with signNow. You can try it for free now and learn more at our website. Choose the best. Choose signNow.